Hey guys, it's been a long work day and I'm going to get a quick prep last minute meal on the table. This is going to be ready less than 10 minutes, beautiful meal on the table. Check this out. So I have some brown rice pasta that I already have cooked, saves me a ton of cook time. I have some ground chicken that I cooked with a little bit of like kind of taco seasonings, but it's pretty mild, so it works with a bunch of different dishes, which is awesome. And I have these really basic prepped veggies. And I also, what I do is when I make my pasta, I freeze my pasta water. So I'm gonna whip up a little cheese sauce with pasta water and cheese. I'm gonna rehydrate my pasta. I'm gonna add the ground chicken. I'm gonna throw in these veggies and I'm gonna chop in some turkey bacon. And we're gonna have an awesome cheesy pasta primavera protein thing that's gonna be done in less than 10 minutes. Check it out. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to rehydrate the pasta. Freeze your pasta water, you guys, because this is a perfect reason why. We are going to make our cheese sauce. We're gonna melt this down. This is literally just the water that I cooked this pasta in. I strained it, I kept the water, and then I popped it into an ice cube tray. We're also making some turkey bacon over here. You can use regular bacon. I don't have any because my kids love turkey bacon. So we're gonna melt this down. Then I'm gonna dump in. This is about 3/4 of a cup of Gruyere and 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan. So I'll dump that in. We'll mix it until it's all nice and melted. Then we're gonna add our pasta, our veggies, our chicken, our bacon. It's gonna be delicious and it's so quick, less than 10 minutes, dinner's gonna be ready. So we're just melting all this down. Yeah, so literally, when you're cooking pasta, right before you strain it, put it into a bowl, let it cool, and then just add it to whatever ice cube tray you have. And it's perfect for a quick prep meal just like this, because this is gonna be the base of our cheese sauce. So as these melt, let's dump in our cheese. So easy. So now we're just gonna let this all cook down, and once it's all combined, then we're gonna add our pasta. And depending on if you want it cheesier, add more cheese. If you want it a little less cheesy, add another cube of your pasta water. So to this, we're gonna add a little bit of butter and some salt. Put my bacon. I wish we set a timer, you guys, so you could see how, like, it's crazy. Having this stuff prepped in the fridge, we're gonna get a beautiful meal on the table in no time. Okay, I'm gonna grab some butter. Get this all melted down. You can also add some fresh herbs, which I love, so I gotta grab some of those. So this is all melting down into a nice little cheesy sauce. So we're getting a little bubble here, awesome. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some of the pasta. I just reach in with my hands. The pasta will rehydrate really quickly. So I take this right from the fridge, and I'm cooking for 2 right now, so that's, let's back up maybe a little more. You can see the cheese oozing out. Ooh, who doesn't love that? Oozy cheese? Come on. So my bacon's pretty good. So I'm gonna turn this off. So now we're gonna add our veggies. Pasta rehydrates super quickly, but again, having my carbs prepped in advance saves me at least 30 minutes of cook time. When I make my brown rice, that saves me at least 45 minutes because you have to wait for the water to boil, and then once it's boiled, it takes 45 minutes to cook brown rice. Pasta, usually like 15 minutes. But still, all that time adds up at the end of the day when you're tired. So let's add our chicken. We're just gonna do a gentle stir. Whoa, that is cheesy. And if you wanted a little more like saucy, just add another little pasta water cube and that'll chill it out a little bit. So now I'm just gonna cover this and let it all kind of just blend for a few minutes, and then dinner's ready. So you guys, it's been less than 5 minutes and we have a beautiful, cheesy, protein-packed pasta primavera type situation. And it's beautiful and homemade. Sorry about the siren. Hello, New York. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be so good. Here's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna chop up the bacon. I'm gonna mix it in. I'm gonna top it with fresh herbs. Ooh, dinner's ready. Cutting in the bacon. Let's plate. A couple of final touches. Fresh herbs always, because they elevate any dish. They make everything fancy, as we've talked about before. I just like taking a little pile and I just cut them with my poultry shears. Looks beautiful. Also, you want your food to be really colorful, and I also love a little bit of spice. So what I'm gonna do is cayenne pepper, the beautiful green of the fresh herb and the pop of the cayenne is so pretty. A little bit of French sea salts. Dinner is ready. Yay! I wish that I set a timer for you guys because we're about to sit down and eat. It's been less than 10 minutes. I hope you like this video, but if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one. Yay! Have a great week. Cheers, you guys. Cheers.